Hey everyone, Community Manager MyNamesTee here. Today I'm going to be going over our new and fresh out of the box scheduling tools that all creators can use free of charge and right away. To begin, let's head over to our creator dashboard to access the scheduling tools. I will click my name at the top right corner and head to creator dashboard. We need to look at the left hand side, so below the stream manager, we'll find a new entry called schedule. We don't have anything added to the schedule yet, but this is where we should be making one. We can do this in two ways: the button top right corner, or one that is right in front of us. For convenience sake, I'm going to be using the one that's right in front of me. And here is our scheduling tools. You can set a title for it. You can give it a category you wish to use, what your stream title wants to be, and here is what we do differently. You may have noticed below the stream title that there is a checkbox, and the checkbox has a label that says split VOD on segment start, and it does exactly what you think it does. To get this to work, tick the box, and then let's look at the duration on the left hand side of that. This is where you would tell Velora to cut your VOD, or in other case, end your VOD and start a new one. This is specifically useful for if you play multiple games, but still wishes to keep separate segments of your VODs for different games. I think this is genius, and I think everyone is going to love it. Let's keep exploring to see what we can do. Let's go ahead and give our schedule a title. I'm feeling something a little bit simple, like something along the lines of that. I'm going to check my recent categories. Sonic Rumble. What should I call this? I think playing it with my friends is a good title. Now, what is the starting date that I wish to set the schedule for? I can select the drop down right here, revealing a small calendar, and I can select pretty much every date range that there is. What is the time precision? i.e., does it have to be at that exact time? Does it have to be an approximate? Does it have to be in a specific time block? Or do you want it to be flexible? Set the time right here. This tells viewers that you will be starting at 10:20 a.m. in the morning, or at night, or afternoon. How many times do you want to repeat this? As the info box suggests here. Is it a one-time thing? Do you want to do it every day? Do you want to do it every week? How about every 2 weeks? Maybe every month? Or do you want something a little bit more customary? If you do select custom, you'll be given a drop-down combo box stating how many days do you want to have this schedule entry repeat for. Is it 2 days? Is it 5? Maybe 10? The choice is yours. How long do you think this schedule entry should go on for? Note that the time here is set in minutes. So 180 minutes is what you would convert to hours. The auto set window option tells you viewers, hey, I'll be going live in 30 minutes. Or I've got a stream to go live to on 15 minutes. Lastly, what is the visibility of this schedule entry that you would like to set it to? Do you want it to be published? Are you okay with your changes? Or do you want to put it in a draft mode so you can make further changes? If you are happy with this, you may select Create. Right now, I've set mine as a draft. And you might be asking, where can I see this on my channel? Before I do that, there's one last thing I want to show you. You may have noticed there is a Repeat Last Week button right next to the new entry. When you press that, your entry will be repeated and duplicated for the next month, the next week, the next day, or the next 5 months or so. I think this is really cool. Now, let's go and look at where we can find our schedule entries on our channels. To do this, I can either go to this bookmark, or I can click the name below here and say return to Velora. Then all I need to do is click my name at the top right, go to my profile, give this a second, scroll a little bit down depending on your browser zoom level, and select schedule. My schedule entry is currently in drafts, so it doesn't appear here. I would need to set it to published to have this displayed here. We believe our scheduling tools will give you finer control over your VODs, whether you want to split them within 2 hours, 4 hours, or whatever time frame you wish to split your VODs into. And we hope this is useful for you when you stream on Velora.tv. Please do subscribe to the official Velora YouTube channel, where more tutorials, how-tos, and showcase videos are to be expected. See you next time.